Is it helpful to be a part of 𝗔𝗍 or 𝗛𝗍? See, I'll tell you my experience here. I am a member of both 𝗔𝗍 India as well as I have 𝗛𝗍 member. So whenever I go to an office in Dubai or whenever I travel to Brazil or anywhere, I attend their chapter meetings for the 𝗛𝗍. So I think you should be member of both. The reason is that 𝗔𝗍 conducts a lot of now they have started conducting. I don't know which chapter you belong to, but find out which chapter you. If you are Bangalore chapter, if you are from Bombay chapter, if you are from Delhi chapter, these are the chapters that are very active. Other chapters I am not very sure, but if you are in those chapters, then only you should take 𝗔𝗍 membership. Otherwise, I suggest you to go for 𝗛𝗍 membership. And one more tip I want to give you for 𝗛𝗍 membership, that if you go for online, there's a section for India, and there you have a lesser membership cost compared to the original membership cost. This is my answer, that if you are belonging to chapter for Delhi, Bombay, Bangalore, then only take the 𝗔𝗍 membership. That's worth. But you must have, whenever you go and change the job, definitely it helps to tell that you are a member. How many of you are trying for the 𝗛𝗍 CHD exam, certified HVAC designer for 𝗛𝗍? Have you heard of it, 𝗛𝗍 certified HVAC designer exam? I suggest that you must have that exam and get it passed. It definitely adds value to your CV, and your job prospect also increases. India also, abroad also. If you go to 𝗛𝗍 website, you will find the CHD. Type CHD in Google, CHD 𝗛𝗍, you will get all the details. I mean, whenever we recruit for our Dubai office, whenever we recruit in India, we always ask that are they CHD certified, 𝗛𝗍 certified. In 𝗛𝗍 also they are certifying for HVAC designer, they have data center course, they have clean room course, they have commissioning course. So definitely it adds value to your CV. People take seriously, because when we as a recruiter uh, we get only 6 seconds to view the CV, because every day our inbox gets full. You may have complaints with all the recruiters that they even don't revert back, or they don't even give any feedback. But believe me, when I was working, I was also having the same complaint what you had. But when I came to the other side of the table as a recruiter, uh, we don't find time to even revert back, because so many CVs come to us. Most of the people, they do not even see the job description and they apply for an accounts and whatever it is, thinking that we may give them job. But this is the sad situation, but what to do? So I want to tell you that we get very less time to review the CVs. So the CV should be very impactful. So please focus on CV, because 90% CV we find waste. And even if the candidate is good, that candidate, how can we see? We cannot see the face of a candidate. We only see the CV. So we miss a lot of good candidates just because CV is bad. So have your CV proper. And for CV also, I will give you a very smart tip afterwards. What about maintenance? Can you recommend something in 𝗛𝗍? 𝗛𝗍, there is a huge data, there is a huge thing given on maintenance. Even they have a chapter of air balance, even they have a standard of air balancing in 𝗛𝗍. So even if you read the complete standard of air balancing on 𝗛𝗍, you will learn, and if you can apply, you will have a lot of improvement for yourself. Even in 𝗛𝗍 also there is an exam for this maintenance commissioning expert. You can give that exam for 𝗛𝗍, and they give course material, everything, and it's not as difficult as you feel, because many people they pass it properly. Only thing in India, the awareness is not there for these ASHRAE exams. If you go to ASHRAE website, you will find the answer. All the procedures, how to apply. Fees are high, but I think for career you can invest that much. Because only thing is that you need to be different than others. Because your competition is very high. Every person is claiming that he's a HVAC engineer, he has certificate. Then what differentiates you and the other guy? Actually, can distinguish and differentiate you that you are different than others because you have passed their exam, right? This,
Salam. Jawa. Konton naik di baru lelah naga.
hello.
Oh,
Okay. So next question is that I want to make career in oil and gas. Yeah. See, oil and gas HVAC definitely you get at least 3 times high pay as compared to normal HVAC. So definitely you need to, if you want to boost your career in HVAC and if you want to increase your salary chances, definitely oil and gas field is definitely helpful. But how to get the job is again very difficult question. To get a job in oil and gas, your fundamentals has to be very strong, very strong. Okay, how many of you can answer me what is sol air temperature? Sol air, SOL, sol air temperature. Any idea what is sol air temperature? This kind of questions you will get in the interview for oil and gas. So the basic has to be extremely strong, then only you can get in. And to have the strong basics, you should have strong passion because it is very tough to be an HVAC engineer in oil and gas. Because if any person goes to the consultant without having any background or any strong basics of HVAC, the consultants from Europe, they will tear apart you, completely tear apart. You will be in tears when you will go into the meeting. That's what questions they will ask during the meeting. So one has to be completely all rounder. So to be all rounder, you have to be passionate. Then only you will get your salary 2 times, 3 times than a normal HVAC engineer. So if you are ready to take the pain, go ahead and make the career in oil and gas. That is waiting for you. Lot of requirement nowadays for oil and gas HVAC engineers, but there is shortage. On the other hand, the building sector you have a lot of engineers. So you have a good opportunity, but only you need to be passionate. You're not getting people. We are also, even we are not getting people in oil and gas for our projects to execute because everyone is busy. They are getting jobs everywhere. So we are feeling shortage of HVAC engineers for oil and gas. So another question is,